Okay, so entropy, ito yung karugtong. Delta S is delta Q, bago yung iba. But T absolute is equal to delta Q S small letter is equal to delta Q over T absolute. Delta S capital, the change in entropy of the stream during some process, BTU per Rankine or BT kilojoule per Kelvin. Delta Q is equal to the capital Q is the amount of heat transferred to or from the system during the process, BTU or kilojoule. T absolute is the absolute temperature at which the heat was transferred, R or Kelvin. So delta S is equal to the change in any specific entropy of a system during some process, BTU per pound mass plus degrees Rankine, or kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Delta Q is small letter, the amount of heat transferred to or from the system during the process, BTU per pound mass or kilojoule per kilogram. Okay? Note that yung delta S, ang Rankine saka ang Rankine, pwede ito maging Fahrenheit kasi delta T yung ang ano dyan, sadya dyan. So, Kelvin, pwede sa degree C. Dito, hindi. Absolute is Rankine or Kelvin. Next, laws of thermodynamics. Iba kasi hindi kasama sa PowerPoint. Noon, face to face. Hindi na nauubos. Kaya binawasan ko. Ngayon, ito napansin, binabalik ko yung ibang napansin. Okay? A, zeroth law of thermodynamics is that temperature. Thermal equilibrium. It states that when each of the two systems is in equilibrium with a third, the first two systems must be in equilibrium with each other. This shared property of equilibrium is the temperature. So, zeroth law of thermodynamics is about the temperature. Again, it states that when two bodies have equality of temperature with a third body, they in turn have equality of temperature with each other, and the three bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium. The third body is usually a thermometer. Kind of rephrase lang, di ba? So, kasi sa board exam, yung na ano, mababasa nyo to, yung na to, o ito. So, B, the first law of thermodynamics is about the energy. Law on conservation of energy. So it states that because energy cannot be created or destroyed, setting aside the later ramification of the equivalence of mass and energy, so nuclear energy. So the amount of heat transferred into a system plus the amount of work done on the system must result in a corresponding increase of internal energy in the system. Heat and work are mechanisms by which systems exchange energy with one another. So another definition or statement states that during any cycle, a system undergoes, the cyclic integral of heat is proportional to the cyclic integral of work or for any system. Total energy entering is the total energy leaving. The law of conservation of energy. That is the first law of thermodynamics. Pero hindi yan ang nauna. Meron tayong zeroth law. Lahat naman nag-uumpisa sa wala. Okay. C, second law of thermodynamics is the entropy. So marami to ha. Unahin natin. Number one, states that entropy, that is the disorder of an isolated system can never decrease. Thus, when an isolated system achieves a configuration of maximum entropy, it can no longer undergo change. It has reached equilibrium. So yung mga statement. One, Clausius. It is impossible for a self-acting machine unaided by an external agency to move heat from one another body to another at higher temperature. So may source ka. Kevin Planck. It is impossible to construct a heat engine which, while operating in a cycle, produces no effect except to do work and exchange heat with a single reservoir. Then, next, all spontaneous processes result in a more probable state. Next, the entropy of an isolated system never decreases. Next, no actual or ideal heat engine operating in cycles can convert into work all the heat supplied to the working substance. So, walang source of heat na lahat yun, yung kanyang heat, magiging work. Next, Kara Theodori. Tao yan. In the vicinity of any particular state 2 of a system, there exists neighboring state 1 that are inaccessible via an adiabatic change from state 2. So check nyo na lang. Mga verification yan. Next, conservation of mass. So the law of conservation of mass states that the mass is indestructible. Kaya may importante, law of conservation of energy and the mass. Steady state is that circumstance in which there is no accumulation of mass or energy within the controlled volume, and the properties at any point within the system are independent of time. Continuity, equation of steady flow is M is equal to rho 1 A1 B1 is equal to rho 2 A2 B2 is equal to A1 B1 over B1, specific volume, reciprocal of the density. So A2 B2, B2. Itong A1 B1, this is the flow rate. So mass times density times flow is mass. Remember, ang unit nito is pounds per minute, kilograms per second, kilogram per hour. Kasi nga, velocity to. Pag this is L, so ano lang yun? Kilogram, pounds. So usual English units are feet per second for velocity. Ito, rho is pound per cubic feet. B is cubic feet per pound. A is square feet. M is pounds per second. English units. So example number 22. A fluid moves in a steady flow manner between two sections in the same flow rate. At section 1, A1 is equal to 0.1 meters squared. B1 is equal to 6 meters per second. B1 is specific volume, 0.33 cubic meter per kilogram. At section 2, A2 is equal to 0.2 square meter. Rho 2 is 0.27 kilogram per cubic meter. Calculate the velocity of flow at section 2. Solution. So, mass constant. So rho 1 A1 B1 is equal to rho 2 A2 B2. So A1 B1 over V1 is equal to rho 2 A2 B2. That is now substitute values. 0.1 times 6 over 0.33 is equal to 0.27 times 0.2 times B2. So B2 is 33.67 meters per second. So letter A. Next is the isang equation sample lang tayo. Hindi tayo maka ng series of example. Then, next na ano nyo sa termo is yung Helmholtz functions and the Gibbs function. Helmholtz function, thermodynamic property of a system equal to the difference between its internal energy and the product of its temperature and its entropy. Ang symbol niya is capital A. So formula A is equal to U minus TS. Capital T is absolute. So U and S are specific properties. So Gibbs function. So thermodynamic property of a system equal to the difference between its enthalpy and the product of its temperature and its entropy. It is usually measured in joules. Same sa Helmholtz function. Symbol G. Formula G is equal to H minus TS. Ito lang magkaiba niya. So kung pamilya kayo niyan, sa thermodynamic subjects nyo, malawak pa yan. Example number 23. Water is being heated by the exhaust gases from a turbine. So the gases leave the gas turbine at 648 C and may be cooled to 148 C. The water enters the heater at 93 C. The rate of gas flow is 25 kilograms per second and the water flow is 31.5 kilograms per second. Assume that the mean specific heat of the gas in water are respectively 1.088 and 4.27 kJ per kilogram C. What is the available energy removed from the hot gases in kilowatt? So take available sink temperature as 300 Kelvin. So available energy ng gases tinatanong is QG minus T sub O times delta TS. Okay? Ano ba? Minus yan. Ito kasi yung yan. Ito yung formula niya. So AG is equal to MCP times TA minus TB minus TOMCP ln TA over TB. So T is equal to 648 plus 270 is 921 Kelvin. A is equal to 148 plus 270 is 421 Kelvin. So T is equal to 311 Kelvin. Okay. Ito is TB, TO. Okay? Pwede natin. So ito, change ka na T sub A, T sub O. So this availability is a change of ano rin to, no? Since steady flow to, so change to ng Gibbs function. Delta G is delta H and T sub O type delta S. Okay? Ayan. So, amplitude values, S sub G, check nyo rin yung topic doon sa mga second law availability sa thermobooks. A sub G is equal to 25 times 1.088, 25 kilograms per second. That's 921 minus 421 minus 311 times 25 times 1.088 times ln of 921 over 421. So A sub B is equal to 13,600 minus 6622.1 is 6,997. Okay, hindi natin ginamit yung ito. Kasi gas lang ang kailangan natin. Gagamitin mo tong mass of water sa specific heat ng water para makuha mo yung living temperature ng water. Hindi required. Available sink. Next, Boyle's law. Boyle's law, dalawa ang definition natin. States that if the temperature of a given quantity of gas is held constant, the volume of gas varies inversely with the absolute pressure during the quasi-static change of state. Boyle's law 2 states that the volume of the gas varies inversely with the absolute pressure during change of state if the temperature is held constant. As paras lang. Kaya lang, siyempre, huwag natin baguhin para pag hindi naman ito mabaguhin sa board. Pag ito linagay, tanda mo. So this is the P sub 1, B sub 1 is equal to P sub 2, B sub 2 at constant temperature. Sample number 24. An ideal gas is contained in a vessel of unknown volume at pressure of 1 atmosphere. The gas is released and allowed to expand into a previously evacuated valve whose volume is 0.5 liter. Once equilibrium has been reached, the temperature remains the same while the pressure is recorded as 500 millimeters of mercury. What is the volume B of the first valve? So meron tayo 1 atmosphere, take note is 760 millimeter ST. So P sub 1, B sub 1 is equal to P sub 2, B sub 2. So yung P sub 1 mo is atmospheric. Yan. Unknown volume. So B sub 1. The gas is released and allowed to expand into a previously evacuated valve whose volume is 0.5. To expand, sabihin, kasabay pa yung unknown volume. So B sub 1 plus yung previous na valve is, ito na yung B sub 2 mo. So B sub 1 plus 0.5 liter. Expand lang. Hindi naman siya linipat. Pag linipat, so may iba yung volume. Hindi na yung dati kasama. So, ang pressure nun is 500 millimeters of mercury. So, B sub 1 is 0.961 liters. So, let us see. Charles law. Charles law, dalawa lang definition natin. Alas same lang siya. Magkaiba to. The volume of gas varies directly as the absolute temperature during a change of state if the pressure of gas is still constant, which is V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Another Charles law is the pressure of gas varies directly as the absolute temperature during a change of state if the volume of gas is held constant in so P sub 1 over T1 is equal to P sub 2 over T2. So example number 25. A closed vessel contains air at a pressure of 200 kilonewton per meter squared gauge and a temperature of 32 C. So the air is heated to a 60 degrees C with the atmospheric pressure of 750 millimeter gauge. What is the final millimeter of mercury? What is the final gauge pressure? Okay. So solution, atmospheric is 750 millimeter Hg. This is equal to 100 kilopascal. So check nyo na lang ha. So, tama. Basta ang given niya is 750. Ganun. Okay. Approximately 99.99. So, getting the equation, Charles law, P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T1. So, take note na absolute pressure ang kailangan natin sa pressure. So, absolute pressure is the atmospheric pressure plus the gauge pressure. So, sa P1 mo, ang gauge pressure mo is 200. So, plus 100 gauge absolute. Temperature mo is also absolute. So, divided by 32 plus 273. Yung first condition niya. So, P sub 2 mo naging 60C. So, P sub 2 over 60 plus 273. Solve for P sub 2 using Charles law at constant volume. So, P2 is equal to 327.54 kilopascal absolute. Ang tinatanong natin is yung gauge pressure. So, minus 100. So, that is 227.54. Letter C. Next, ideal gas law. Sino sa ideal? Kilala. Si Charles meron. Sa Boyles meron. So, the equation of state of an ideal gas, which is a good approximation to real gases at sufficiently high temperatures and low pressure. So, approximation siya ng real gases. Pag nasa, yung sa mga chart nyo, matataas na, wala sa saturation, malayo sa saturation curve. Yan. B is at mga PB is equal to RT. Where P is the pressure, B is the volume per mole of gas, T is the temperature, and R is the gas constant. So PB, another is MRT, or P1 B1 over T1 is equal to P2 B2 over T2. Kasi yung MR mo is constant. P pressure, B volume, M mass, R ideal gas constant, and T absolute temperature. Pangit ito. So example number 26. Volume of 400 cc of air is measured at a pressure of 740 millimeter Hg absolute and a temperature of 18 C. What will be the volume at 760 mm Hg absolute and 0 C? Okay, cc is cubic centimeter. So, solution. So, P2, B2 over T2 is equal to P1, B1 over T1. So, substitute values. 760 times B2 over 0 plus 270 is equal to 740 times 400 over 18 plus 270. And B2 is 365.4. So, dito sa letter D, 366. Next, basic properties of ideal gas. R is 8.3140 divided by M, kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin, or R is equal to 1545 over M, foot-pound per pound Rankine. Cp minus Cb is equal to R. Cp over Cb is equal to K. Cp is equal to Kr over K minus 1. And Cb is equal to R over K minus 1. Where R is the gas constant. M, molecular weight of gas. Cp and Cb is the specific heats at constant volume and pressure and volume. K is the specific heat ratio. Sample number 27. A 0.9 cubic meter tank contains 6.5 kilogram of an ideal gas. The gas has a molecular weight of 44 and is at 21 C. What is the pressure of the gas? So let R, then R, solution R is equal to bar R over M is equal to 8314.3 over 44 is 189 joule per kilogram Kelvin. Check na lang yung unit. Okay. T is equal to 21 plus 273 is 293 Kelvin. So pressure is equal to MRT over B is 6.5 kilogram plus 189 times 294 over 0.9 is 401,300 Pascal. Joule to kaya Pascal yan. So this is now 401.3 kilopascal. So let us see. Ang klaseng solution yun. So next, Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure states that the total pressure, P sub M, of a mixture of gases is the sum of the pressure that each gas would exert were it to occupy the vessel alone at the volume Vm and the temperature Tm of the mixture. So wait, ayusin natin mga subscript. So ayan, subscript lang. So P sub M is equal to P sub A plus P sub B plus P sub C plus D and so on is equal to the summation of P sub I. So also T sub M is equal to T sub A is equal to T sub B is equal to T sub C, and B sub M is equal to B sub A is equal to B sub C plus B sub C. So Pi is equal to Xi times Pm, and summation of Xi to 1 is equal to 1. Then XA plus XB plus XC and so on is equal to 1. Yan ang Dalton's law of partial pressure. Sample number 28. A mixture is formed at 689.48 kilopascal absolute, 37.8 C by bringing together these gases. Its volume before mixing measured at 689.48 kilopascal absolute, 37.8 C is 3 mol CO2, 2 mol N2, and 4.5 mol O2. Find the average pressure of the CO2 after mixing. Simple, form CO2 is equal to 3 over yung total moles, 3 plus 2 plus 4.5 times 689.48 is P 207.73 kilopascal absolute. So is letter D. Galing niya. So, ayan. So XI is the percentage ratio by volume. Moles, mole fraction. Next, Amagat's law of partial pressure. Amagat's law of partial volume. States that the volume V sub M of a gas mixture is equal to the sum of the volume VI of the K components gases if the temperature T and the pressure P remain constant. So B sub M is equal to B sub A plus B sub B plus B sub C is equal to emission of VI. P sub M is equal to T sub A and is equal to T sub C. P sub M is equal to P sub A plus P sub B plus P sub C. P sub C to mixture. So BI is equal to XIBM. So summation of XI is equal to 1. Gamitin is lagi is yung Dalton's law. Equation for thermodynamic properties. So entropy is delta S equal to the integral of derivative of Q with respect to T. Non-flow equation, tandaan nyo to, Q is equal to delta U plus the non-flow work. Always sa right side ng equation nyo, non-flow work, sa left side yung Q. So, yan, positive yan both. Steady flow equation, assuming delta K is equal to 0 and delta P is equal to 0, so Q is equal to delta S plus steady flow work. Or, if this is not, considered yung delta K at delta P not equal to 0, Q is equal to delta S plus delta K plus delta P plus WSP or steady flow work. When delta U is the internal energy change, delta S is enthalpy change, delta K kinetic energy, delta P potential energy, and others the work. Internal energy, delta U is equal to MCB delta T. Crude to ideal gas na enthalpy is delta S equal to MCP delta T. Non-flow work is WNF is equal to the integral of PdV. So steady flow work, W steady flow is negative integral of PdV. The steady flow equation, if delta K and delta P not equal to 0 is delta K plus delta P plus WSP is negative integral of PdV. Importante ito. Note K is equal to delta S over delta U. Example number 29. In compressing 20 kilogram per minute of air, its enthalpy was increased by 140 kilojoule per kilogram. If the power input is 50 kilowatt, the heat transfer in kilowatt is, so meron tayong Q as delta S plus W. So delta is equal to 140 kilojoule per kilogram times 20 kilogram per minute times 1 minute per second. is 46.67 kilowatt. While the work is negative 50 kilowatt. Okay? Kasi power input. So, ang standard din sa equation natin yan na Q is equal to delta S plus W is output. So, W is negative. Q is equal to 46.67 minus 50 is negative 3.33 kilowatt. Next, what is the temperature rise in water dropping at height of 200 feet in Fahrenheit? Okay, ganitong problem. Solution. So, using the equation WCP delta T, diba? Heat equation is equal to Ws over G, potential energy. So, delta T is equal to S over JCT. English units kasi ito. So, delta T is equal to 200 feet divide by 778.16 foot-pounds divide by BTU. Check nyo, makakasil ang feet. Times 1.0 BTU per pound kasi water siya. So, makakasil yung BTU, makakasil yung pounds. So, matitira is Fahrenheit. So, delta T is 0.257 Fahrenheit. Yeah, maganda. Sample number 31. A non-flow system contains 1 pound of ideal gas, CP.24, CP.17, both in BTU per pound ranking. The gas temperature is increased by 10 Fahrenheit while 5 BTU of work are done by the gas. What is the heat transfer and in BTU? So Q is equal to delta U plus W. So delta U is equal to MCB delta T is 1 times 0.17 times 6 times equal to 1.7. So W is 5. So Q is equal to 1.7 plus 5 is 6.7. Delta U ang ginamit na kasi a non-flow system. That is delta U. Okay, sumbaric process. A sumbaric process is an internal reversible quasi-static if non-flow process of a pure substance during which the pressure remains constant. So letter A, in yung PV diagram, 1 to 2. This is the isobar. And B1, B2, P1 is equal to P2. And the area is integral of PdB or pressure times delta B. Okay? Ang P is vertical line and B is horizontal line. Yeah. So B ito, isobars. Yeah. Okay. So ito yung paddle. Next. So pressure constant, ito yung mga equation niya. B sub 2 over B sub 1 is equal to T sub 2 over T sub 1. Delta H is equal to MCP times T2 minus T1. Delta U is MCB times T2 minus T1. For non-flow, Q is equal to delta U plus non-flow work. So the non-flow work is equal to the integral of PdV or pressure times B sub 2 minus B sub 1. Q is equal now to delta H. So entropy is delta S is the integral of D Q over T. Delta S is MCP times ln of T2 over T1 is equal to MCB times ln of B1 over B2. Okay. Derive nyo na lang. Basta Q is equal to delta S. So, picture mo siya dito. So, delta S, MCP, yan. That's derivative of T, so integrate nyo ito labas. The steady flow work, Q is equal to delta S plus WSF. So, WSF is equal to negative integral of B times differential of P. Differential of P at constant pressure is 0, kaya 0. So, Q is still equals to delta S kasi mag-0 to. So, entropy is delta S is equal to the integral of derivative of U with respect to T. So, the same equation. The specific heat ratio is K is equal to delta S over delta U, also equal to Q over delta U. Isometric process, so all isochronic process. Isometric process, a constant volume process that is internally reversible. Quasi-static if non-flow. Quasi-static yung bumabalik sa dating pwesto. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. Yan. So, pag slow mo, yan siya, laging po. So, yung picture ko nung ano pa to, sa Castilla pa to nakuha. Kasi mayroong thermodynamics na pairs na Spanish. So ito yung picture mo. Your A as volume constant. Yun, papat vertical. Ito, pag vertical, horizontal ang gawin niya. Hindi yung tumatabing eh. Okay? So, parang di naman sa drawing. So, 1 to 2, P1 o P2. So, plane, AB, diagram. So, B is equal to C, plane of the plane PB. Ito naman is the TS diagram. Okay? Ano ba nangyari dito? Sige. Uh, ito yun, 1 to 2. So, ito yun sa TS diagram. So, yung pressure constant, mas mababa yung slope kesa sa volume constant. Yan. Tandaan yan. Yun. So, volume constant, P2 over P1 is equal to T2 over T1. Delta H is equal, again, MCP times T2 minus T1. Delta U is equal to MCB times T2 minus T1. Non-flow work Q is equal to delta U plus W and F. Non-flow work is equal to the integral of P dV. Since volume constant, dV0 is equal to, the non-flow work is 0. Therefore, entropy is equal to with Q as delta U, which is MCB delta T. Delta S equal to magiging integral of dq over t is equal to mcb times ln of t2 over t1 or mcb ln of p2 over p1. Now, the steady flow work Q is equal to delta S plus WST. So, WSP is equal to negative integral of VDP is negative B times P sub 2 minus P sub 1. So, Q is equal to delta U. Diba? So, isometric, that is Q is delta U. Isobaric, siyempre, U is equal to delta X. Specific heat ratio, the same. So example number 32, 1 kilogram of hydrogen are cooled from 450 C to 320 C and a constant volume process. The specific heat at constant volume CB is 10.2 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, how much heat is removed? Relation Q is equal to MCB times T2 minus T1. Substitute values, 1 times 10.2 times 450 minus 320 is 1326 kilojoules. Asan dyan? Yung mata nyo malinaw, letter B. So next is isothermal process. Isothermal process is an internally reversible quasi-static if non-flow constant temperature process of a pure substance. Check yung PV diagram. So ito naman TS diagram. Yan. So ito yung 1 to 2 isotherm PVC. Huwag mo na lagyan ng ano na T is constant. Ito ang nalagay dyan. Para pagsama-sama mo yung mga curve niya, P is constant, B is constant, PB is constant. Pero pag isa, PB exponent K is constant. Dalawa pala, PB exponent N constant. So isotherm, yan. So Q, itong iso area niya. Diba? Isotherm. Yan. Straight line yan na parallel sa baba. Okay. Ingatan nyo mga drawing. So PB constant, T is constant. Delta H is again MCP times T2 minus T1. Delta U is equal to MCB T2 minus T1. So this all becomes 0. Okay, naging 0 to. Nag-copy paste lang. So non-flow equation is Q is equal to delta U plus W non-flow. So P1 B1 is equal to P2 B2 is equal to PB equals C is MRT. So the non-flow works equal to P1, PB, ln of P2, P1 is equal to PB, P1 over P2. Non-flow work now is MRT, ln of P2 over P1 is MRT, ln of P1 over P2. Since delta U is 0, so Q is equal to W and F. So is equal na lang 0 to. Now, steady flow, Q is equal to delta S plus WSP. WSP is equal to PB, ln of P2 over P1 is equal to PB, ln of P1 over P2. Also, MRT B2 over B1, MRT ln of P1 over P2. Q is equal to WSF. Kasi yung delta S mo at temperature constant is 0. Entropy delta S equal to MR ln of B2 over B1. So, or MR ln of P2 P1 over P2. So, delta S equal to P1 PB T ln of B2 over B1 is PB over T ln of P1 over P2. Yan yung entropy. Example number 33. So, 5 kilomoles pag moles, nagpatan niya ng M ng N. Of air initially at 1 atmosphere and 299 Kelvin are compressed isothermally to 8 atmosphere. How much heat is removed during the compression? Relation Q is equal to nRT and then of P1 over P2. So N is 5 kilomole times R 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole Kelvin times 299 Kelvin is ln of atmosphere over 8 atmosphere is negative 25,846.27. Letter A. So next is the isentropic process. Isentropic process is a reversible adiabatic process with constant entropy. So makita mo yung constant entropy 1 to 2 sa TS diagram. So dito, ayan yung slope niya. Okay? Mas mataas kisa sa kanilang sa temperature constant. Yan. Mataas ang slope. And the area, yes, sa ilalim. This is the land flow. Doon ditong ano is steady flow, yung area niya. So, PB K is constant, delta is 0, PB is equal to MRT, Q is equal. P2 over P1 is equal to B1 over B2 exponent K. T2 over T1 is equal to B1 over B2 exponent K. So, T2 over T1 is equal to P2 over P1 exponent K minus 1 over K. Remember that. So, delta S equal to MCP T2 minus T1. Delta U is MCP T2 minus T1. Non-flow, Q is equal to delta U plus WNF. The non-flow work is equal to P1 B1 over 1 minus K times B2 over B1 is 0.1 minus K minus 1. Or P sub 1 B sub 1 over 1 minus K times P sub 1 over P sub 2 exponent 1 minus K over K. May over K yan, minus 1. So the non-flow work is MRT1 over 1 minus K. So yan, ganun po din. Times ito. And then, ito naman is, yan, mali-mali yung ano, equation. Okay. So, palitan mo natin na. So, yun. Non-flow work, ito, over K. P1, B1 over 1 minus K times B2 over B1, 1 minus K minus 1 is equal to P1, B1 over 1 minus K times P1 over P2 is equal to 1 minus K over K minus 1. Or MRT1 over 1 minus K times B2 over B1, 1 minus K minus 1 is equal to MRT1 over 1 minus K times B1 over B2 exponent K minus 1. Parehas yan. Minus 1. Or MRT 1 over 1 minus K times P2 over P1 exponent K minus 1 over K minus 1. Or MRT 1 over 1 minus K times T2 over T1. Or kasi ito equal dot. Or MR times T2 minus T1 over 1 minus K, na-cancel yung T1. Or P2 over B2 minus P1 B1 over 1 minus K1. Kasi MRT2 is equal to P2 B2. Tama equation. Isa lang dyan ang ano, memorize. But CB is equal to R over K minus 1. Ito. So, negative K minus 1 to. K plus negative of negative K minus 1 to. Okay? So, CB is equal to negative non-flow work is now equal to negative MCB times T2 minus T1 is equal to negative delta U. Next, steady flow work. Q is equal to delta S plus WSF, or WSF steady flow work is K times P sub 1 P sub 1 B sub 1 over 1 minus K times P2 over P1 K minus 1 over K minus 1 is equal to K MRT 1 over 1 minus K times P2 over P1 K minus 1 over K minus 1, or K MRT1 over 1 minus K times B1 over B2 is point K minus 1, or KMRT1 over 1 minus 1 times T1 T2 minus T1 minus 1 is equal to K MR times T2 minus T1 over 1 minus K, or meron pa yan K times P1 B1. ah, um, okay, wait. Ayan. Or K times P2 B2 minus P1 B1 equals point over 1 minus K. Hindi na nasama. But CP is equal to KR over K minus 1. Ang dami niyan. So WSF is equal to negative MCP times T2 minus T1 is negative delta S. Therefore, K is equal to CP over CB is equal to delta S over delta U is equal to negative of the integral of P dP over integral of P dP is equal to steady flow work divided by the non-flow work. So both are negative. Both are negative nito, yun na yung ratio. Example number 34. Air is compressed and a diesel engine from an initial pressure of 13 psi in a temperature of 120 Fahrenheit to 1/12 of its initial volume. Calculate the final temperature assuming the compression to be adiabatic. Solution, so ito yung equation na gamitin nyo. Relationship ng temperature and volume. So T2 over T1 is equal to B1 over B2 is 0.K minus 1. So T2 plus 460 kasi hindi, ang required is hindi yung saturated. So, para maging saturated siya, T2 plus 460. Divided by 120 plus 460 is equal to B1 over, yung B2 mo is 1/12 of B1. Exponent 1.4 minus 1. So, walang binanggit na iba. So, error lang. So, 1.4 gamitin natin. So, T2 is equal to 1107.11 Fahrenheit. So, letter A. Sample number 35. Nitrogen is expanded isentropically. The temperature changed from 620 Fahrenheit to 60 Fahrenheit. If the pressure ratio P sub 1 over P sub is 13, what is the isentropic index? Isentropic index is yung K. Ah, precipitate ratio. T1 over T2 is equal to P1 over P2 is 1 K minus 1 over K. So this is now 620 plus 460 over 60 plus 460 is 13 is 1 K minus 1 over K. So for K, so ito na yung procedure, 2.077 is equal to 13 times exponent K minus 1 over K. Or ln of 2.077 plus K minus 1 over K times ln of 13. Then K minus 1 over K is 0.285. So K is 1.4. Ito is tama naman sa nitrogen yan. Okay. So stop tayo dito.